In this video, I am going to show you the unboxing of KINGONE stylus pen 3rd generation. I bought this stylus for using with my Apple iPad. At the back side, you can see the country of origin. It is China. So without wasting any time, let's open the stylus from the box. To open the inside contents, you need to hold this plastic wrap and you need to move it like this. On opening the box, I can see 500 Amazon gift card. What you need to do is, you need to write a fair review and you need to send a screenshot and you will get a gift card from KINGONE. And here is the instruction manual on how to use the KINGONE iPad pencil. Here is a pencil. I thought of buying Apple pencil, but instead of spending that much money, I thought why not try for a alternative, and I found this one. It has a pretty good reviews on Amazon. If you want, I will give the link in the description box. And you can remove this. You can charge this pencil using Type-C charger. At the top you have the button. You can use this button to go to the home screen and open the recent task. Single tap, double tap, like that. And at the bottom you have the pencil lid. Here you can see that you can simply press and hold and rotate like this to remove the nib. You get some extra tips with this KINGONE iPad pencil. Here you can see that they have provided 2 lids. You need to open this. You will find a Type A to Type C charging cable. Here you can see that to turn on, you need to press and hold. If you can see properly, there is a light green color at the top. If you want to connect this iPad pencil via Bluetooth, open settings on your iPad and go to Bluetooth, and under Bluetooth you will find this option P12. Click on that. Click on pair. Here you can see that now this iPad pencil is connected to my iPad. Let's open any notes taking app and let's write. I mostly use this Apple pencil to edit my videos on iPad. Let's open LumaFusion, the app which I use for editing. It is working perfectly with LumaFusion. And if you want to go back, tap once on the top, it will go back. If you double tap on the top like this, it will open the recent apps which are opened in the background. Once you connect this iPad pencil to your iPad via Bluetooth, you can simply place it on the top and you can see that the iPad pencil will be shown under batteries. It has a battery percentage of 59%. So that's it guys. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.